Burgundy, refine, renew, restore. Did you know bucket wash can use 150 to 200 liters of water per year? With water levels depleting fast in urban areas, every drop we use counts. Introducing the ultimate way to clean your car without using water to rinse. Burgundy Waterless Foaming Wash is a high-performance, eco-friendly foaming car wash shampoo designed to wash your vehicle without using a drop of water. This is a powerful foaming shampoo that removes dirt, dust, and grime in minutes without using any water. Simply spray and wipe. No water, no mess, just a spotless, gleaming finish. Burgundy Waterless Foaming Wash Shampoo is a specially formulated product designed for direct spray application, eliminating the need for foaming gun. Begin by shaking the aerosol can vigorously to activate the powerful foaming action, ensuring an even and effective application. Spray generously, cover the surface you wish to clean thoroughly with the Burgundy Waterless Foaming Wash Shampoo. Allow a moment for the formula to lift off dirt. Gently wipe with a damp microfiber cloth in one direction. Use a dry Burgundy microfiber cloth to buff and reveal a shiny finish. Save water, save our planet. Use Burgundy Waterless Foaming Wash Shampoo, a sustainable solution to your daily car wash need.